Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to paint a dollar store Valentine's Day sign with Color Shift paint. I found this sign at my local dollar store, but you can find something similar at a craft store or online. The first thing I did was snap my fingers and immediately turn black. Obviously, I took it outside in the freezing cold weather and sprayed the whole thing with black spray paint. I found that these folk art Color Shift paints work better over a black or dark background. My initial idea was to use the blue, pink, and purple Color Shift paints to create a sort of color shifting camo dotted pattern. It looked really good in my head. So I began by applying the 3 colors of paint onto the spray painted sign. As you can see, my studio lights are kind of giving you the shift version of the paint. I'm actually using the purple and the blue paint here, but it looks like a sort of a midnight purple and a silver paint. That's that color shift that you get with these paints. They look different under different lights. I went ahead and I covered the entire sign with this dotted pattern, and I wasn't loving it. So I did what I always do when I don't love a project, and I added glitter. I got out a bottle of my glitterific paint, which is also made by Folk Art. If you guys haven't tried this paint before, you really need to. It is so much fun to use. It's a clear gel base that has different sizes and shapes of glitter embedded in the gel. So it gives you a gorgeous glittery finish without any of the mess, and it's really, really easy to use. So I covered the O in the word love with this glitterific paint. And it did make it look a lot better, but I still wasn't loving it. So I decided to just keep it simple and paint each of the remaining letters with a single color of the Color Shift paint. I put on 2 coats of each of the 3 colors and let those completely dry, and I think it looks so much better this way. You can see when I move the sign in the light how the paint colors really shift depending on the angle of the light. If you have this on your front door, it will look different when you have the door open all the way to when you have the door open partially, and it just is a really cool effect that I like a lot. You can find these Color Shift paints and the glitterific paint at a craft store or online, and I'll put some links in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Follow me on my blog, maddencrafts.com, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!